This is what a real day looks like as a full-time artist. No highlight, just real life. My days usually start quiet, getting ready, making breakfast, packing my lunch, before the studio, before the art. There's just life. Being a full-time artist isn't just painting. It's managing time, energy, deadlines, and showing up even when motivation is low. Every piece I make carries real moments behind it. My day ends with delivering and installing a finished piece. Seeing my artwork leave the studio and live in someone's home. This part reminds me why I do this. This channel is where I'm sharing my life, the studio, the travel, the process, and everything in between. If this resonates with you, I'd love for you to stick around. Hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Until next time.